Hello everybody, this is Steve Fox reporting in from down in Miami. We're experiencing one of the coldest winters yet. The hurricane and the tornadoes and the typhoons and all of the other things coming up, or actually coming down from the north, they are really starting to affect me. Like, as you can see here, I'm walking down some stairs and I'm actually almost required now, because of the cold, to wear shoes. I almost have to wear shoes, that's how bad it is. And pretty soon I'm probably going to have to be wearing a shirt too, if you can believe that. I mean, this hat is saving my life right now. And it's helping me, for some reason, get a better accent with my Australian. I don't know why, but I'm going to keep working on this. I'm going to go test the weather out. I'm going to actually go out to the elements and see how brutal it is. I've just heard nothing but terrible things from all of my friends all over the place. I mean, it's so cold outside I have to wear sunglasses, even at night. So let's see, where are we? Floor 7. That's good, because we only have to go to floor 6 to get outside. Alright, here we go. Which way is it? I think it's over here. Yeah. Oh my god. I don't know if you could see me, so I brought this flashlight. Hold on. Oh my god. It is just brutal. It's so cold right now. Look, there's no one swimming in the pool. Look. There's nobody swimming. It must be cold. Oh my god. I can't believe it. Let's see what we got over here. Let's check oh my god, it's so cold. No one's in the hot tub. It is just freezing. Oh my god. It's so cold I could barely go into the swimming pool. Luckily, it's not that bad. I can handle it. 'Cause, you know, I can handle the elements pretty well. Anyway, I'm just gonna hang out in the middle of the night. It's cool, right? I think I'll take a little dip here. It's the only thing that'll keep my mind off freezing cold weather. But yep, I will catch you guys later.